hello to everyone come from every part of the world, and thank you for your visiting and watching, and welcome to my program that I called Miss Crystal Show, and I have to apologize uh, for my carelessness. So that this video is the first video since I have been for a while not posting videos on my Facebook and page. So I have to apologize for this, and thank you for your supporting. Even if I have been a while that there is no videos, you cannot see me, and cannot listening my voice. So that is truly my fault. So apologize for this, and thank you for your forgiveness. So so today I just recorded the videos. So I think it is time, and I should post some videos on my page and Facebook, and uh, another thing is that I want to test my instrument of recording videos. If all the things and all the tool is very useful, so we will keep going on to record these videos. Okay, today's Crystal shows. I want to convey the very delightful news for you that maybe some people don't know that, and maybe most people don't know that. So just because the presidential election just so exciting and so passionate. So it is very few people will know this news. So I think it is time to thank God and to be grateful about the news coming. So we know a prize is very famous and is very prestigious in the world. The prize is the Nobel Prize, and these days will announce the winner of the Nobel Prize, and maybe so many people will wonder and curious about who is the people that is nominated. So very luckily, so there is one that is nominated by the Nobel Peace Prize. He is the President of the United States. So congratulate to the United States, and to honor and to celebrate the nation's people. So I think that is because the country's people sweet and wisdom and your fraternity, so that you will select a president like the man 4 years ago, so that what he done, what he do, just revealed on the international. So what the President Trump stood in the area that the Middle East has influenced the United Arab Emirates with the Israel into a very peaceful negotiations, and to boost the prosperity in this area. So that is very spectacular that we could see that, because the Donald Trump, because his regiment, because his deeds, so make this area just seize the wars and to accentuate on something that could make this area more advanced and more more promoted and more prosperous. So that is very important that people should know that. So this is very good news I want to share with you all. And remember, this honor is not only give to the President Trump. This honor is also give to all the people of the United States. So very appreciated for the person who nominate the President Trump. So actually he observed the President Trump many times, and it seemed that this time is the second time he nominate the President Trump. Hope this time the United States president will win the Nobel Peace Prize. So okay, this is today the best news I want to convey with you all. And okay, another thing is that yesterday is the Saturday. Yesterday I participated a banquet meeting of the Lion Club International in Taiwan, and this is the Lion Club name called Jixian. Yesterday is their 16th annual inauguration, so I participate and join their banquet and their ceremony. So that is very gorgeous and very wonderful night. It's really wonderful, very passionate and exciting and encouraging. So I want to say that to congratulate and celebrate it. Yesterday is their 16th annual inauguration. So 16就是8×8=16，所以希望 I hope 双发就是双赢。I hope the Jixian Lion Club will to show their power again and to step up another level in all the Lion Club International. So 希望他们双发双赢，再展诗会。这是今天我第二件事情想要恭喜吉前狮子会的，恭喜他们昨天受证典礼圆满达成，这样子非常完美的盛宴。That is is the best banquet I have ever seen before. Yes, it's very gorgeous and very meritoriously. So okay, this is the second thing I want to convey. So thank you for the Jixian Lion Club, and I hope all the things, all your affairs about the club will going very smoothly, and in the next year, so you could just have another good, better banquet again. Okay, the third thing is that about the Venus Yao Hua. So because I have a plan that I will go back to the university next year, I have to complete my academy. So this is very important to me. So I have just stopped my business temporarily. So the things that about the business operation will reset in the next year. So there will be the two crucial items. One is jewelry, another is financial project. So the jewelry will some works in the gemstone that if you want to appreciate or you want to just take a look, you could just inform me, and maybe we could just have a good time at just seeing this jewelry. And then the financial project, will be a very good one. Will be a very good one. The saving rates will better than the bank and the insurance company. So you could just waiting for. Okay, so before next year, I still have one product I want to share with people. Oh, that is an emerald ring. Emerald ring that is surrounded by the diamond and the sapphire, and the ring is cost 360,000 new Taiwan dollars. Yes, 360,000 new Taiwan dollars. So the income will donate out to the High Star Lion Club. So finally we will donate the income into the Lion Club, and the people, if you needs donations, you could just connect with us. So but the first thing is the ring has to be set out. So I hope if people want to look the ring, you could just contact with me. So if you are very interested in, you could just write an email to me. So this is the things that I want to deliver in this video. So okay, so everything will be in a good arrangement, so people don't be too much worried about, so don't be too anxious, especially my health condition. So the situation of my health is under control, so I very believe that I will getting better. So people don't be too worried about. So okay, so today is one is the United States have a win. I hope the Nobel Peace Prize will give to the United States president, and congratulations the Jishan Lion Club, and hope next year I could go to the university to complete my my bachelor my bachelor. So okay, the final thing is the ring. If you are interested in, please contact with me. Okay, the last one is welcome the Undersecretary Case Craig will come to Taiwan to have a conversation, to have a dialogue with Taiwan about the economic and commercial. So very appreciate, and it's our pleasure to just welcome the Undersecretary coming to Taiwan. So hope the world will have the peaceful day, and we will pray for it, and all the people will not just be worried about their life and frightened about the war, and all the things will going to be very smooth. So okay, this is today's Crystal Show. I hope you will like it. So if you have any question or problems, or you have some suggestion, so you could just email to me. Okay, here you could just email to me. Okay, so see you next time. Okay, bye bye.